I'm proud to be here with you today because we're not just witnessing a technology revolution. Together, we're leading it. And it starts by putting AI to work for people. In IT, that means not focusing on tickets or those big major incident bridges or the stress of service delivery. It means elevating work, taking the stress out, restoring time, letting technologists focus on technology, letting technologists innovate. We see this world as one where you're driving towards zero-touch IT support as AI agents are helping handle and deflect incidents. Zero outages as AI diagnoses, addresses, and provides relief before customers start calling in with issues. And service delivery is done from demand to planning to building the service with AI all along the way. By combining knowledge with workflow, AI agents are going to help build true autonomous IT. And it's autonomy on your terms. So you can focus on what matters. So you can focus on getting work done. Now that journey is a journey many of you in the audience will be familiar with. A lot of the processes you had started as human-initiated processes, and you digitized those, many starting with service management. And from that, you built knowledge. You established the CMDB and the service graph, and you started digitizing operations and asset and portfolio management use cases. And so today, with that knowledge and those workflows, we have AI agents that can take those and start driving true autonomy. And I'm really excited because as of today, you have AI agents available in every ServiceNow IT product. And we've got customers like USI that already have some of these AI agents in production and are finding 30% savings in tasks such as research. So this is all real. And I'm going to show you an area where we actually have some of these AI agents at work today. This is our incident resolver and recommender agents that are working. And here you see somebody who's escalating an issue where they're not getting those email notifications. So if we take a look, you can see that the AI agents are not only providing the recommended steps, but with the agent in the loop, they can actually go take those steps and actually drive resolution. And that's something that you can do today with ServiceNow. But what I'm really excited about is some of the stuff that we have coming out later this year. And so if we take a look here at Nido, an employee who's having application issues intermittently on his laptop, and all Nido wants to do is he wants to pick up the phone, wants to talk to someone, and he wants to get it resolved. And with Now Assist for Voice, he can do just that. So let's listen in.
Hi, Nido. How can I help you today?
My apps keep freezing. Can you help me?
Got it. One moment. I've captured your issue, and we're on it.
So now, AI not only transcribes the issue, but it knows Nido, it knows his Lenovo laptop, it puts all that information and makes it available, right, for the service desk agent. So when they come in, they have all that available, and they know. And so now, when that service desk agent runs a diagnostic, with our digital end user experience, the AI agents can go right to the laptop, diagnose the issue, understand what's happening, propose recommended fixes, and as you saw in the last demo, take those steps and fix Nido's issue, providing relief and giving time back to that service desk agent. But the real magic comes next. Because with our learning enhanced playbooks, those AI agents now recommend those steps and recommend creating a dynamic playbook. So now, as that playbook is created, when Nido's coworkers call in with the same issue, they can get true self-service as those AI agents will go to work and solve it just in the same way they did for Nido. And that is the power of autonomous IT. And that is coming to everybody here this year. So hopefully you see how excited we are. This is a world that is being created with AI, data, and workflows. Similarly, we are putting AI to work for security. And I'll let you in on the best kept secret at ServiceNow. We are the workflow leader in security. Recently this year, IDC named us as #1 in the security orchestration market, in the workflow market for security. We are in a third of the largest companies in the world, and many of you know, whether it's security workflows, risk governance workflows, we're helping leading companies drive those workflows across the ecosystem. And we do that very similar to how John talked about a little earlier. We bring insight with data and workflows. We drive those insights in cyber risk, understanding what's happening, combined with the CMDB and the service graph, bringing in data from all your security providers, whether it's Cisco, Wiz, Palo. We combine all that, and then we drive those workflows. And the flow for that is very similar to what we're doing in IT. We take workflow, we combine it with the knowledge of your technology estate, and as of this week, we have AI agents in our security and risk products. So this stuff is all available now, today for you. And very similar to what we're doing on the IT side, when that SOC needs a team of AI agents to help, they go right at work. And so if we take a look, what you see is, in that security operations center, not only can we propose remediation steps around a security incident, but those AI agents can actually go take action. They can pull a phishing email out of an inbox. They can put a firewall block in place as necessary, providing that relief, helping those security teams in the InfoSec. And they go all the way through to that post-incident review, taking the drudgery and time out of those multi-hour reviews down to seconds by creating that automatically. We have a ton of innovation that we're working on across security and IT. And I showed you just a few of the AI agents that we have available this year. So much more is coming. So hopefully you join me in this excitement as we work together and we lead into this autonomous future. So with that, I want to thank you, and I want to welcome to the stage Terrence to talk about CRM.